How to fix Kick sound problem. Welcome everyone, we will fix this issue right now, easy and quick, let's do it. Just open the settings of your phone first, click at apps option here and search for Kick and click. And right now guys, you have to scroll down this list, click storage and click right now clear cache, and here right now just back, click on force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update Kick, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.